Did you know that Silent Peak, a dormant volcano in the Pacific, has a unique feature? Unlike most volcanoes, it emits a constant low frequency hum that can be detected from space. This mysterious sound is caused by the movement of magma deep within the Earth, creating a natural symphony that scientists are still trying to fully understand. It's like the Earth's own heartbeat, quietly resonating across the ocean. This hum is so subtle that it's inaudible to human ears, yet it plays a crucial role in monitoring volcanic activity. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.